Curious what happens when you ask AI for investment advice? I did just that, and the answer caught me completely off guard. It wasn't the usual stocks or crypto hype. Instead, AI revealed something surprising, even controversial. Today, I'm sharing the exact response, why it matters, and what it could mean for your own investing strategy. Trust me, you won't believe what AI thinks is the best move right now. Today we will talk about I asked AI what to invest in. You won't believe the answer. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The AI investing hype. In recent years, artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm, transforming industries, automating tasks, and even shaping the future of finance. Naturally, curiosity got the better of me. I decided to ask an AI what I should invest in next. With the rise of AI-powered investing tools and robo-advisors, I figured this would be a glimpse into the future of smart money management. Would it recommend hot tech stocks, cryptocurrencies, or trendy ESG funds? Would it offer some secret alpha strategy? After all, AI has access to more data, processes it faster, and can spot patterns human eyes can't. So I was excited and a little skeptical about the answer. What followed surprised me far more than I expected and revealed deeper truths about investing in the AI era. 2. The straightforward answer. After inputting my profile, goals, and risk tolerance, the AI gave a surprisingly straightforward recommendation: a diversified, low-cost index fund portfolio. No flashy hype, no obscure disruptor stocks, no high-risk bets. It suggested a balanced mix of domestic and international equities, bonds for stability, and even a touch of real estate exposure. Essentially, it told me to do exactly what many financial advisors have been saying for decades: keep it simple, diversify, and stay consistent. It wasn't the answer I expected, especially given AI's advanced capabilities, but it was the most sensible. The AI didn't promise to beat the market or chase fads. Instead, it leaned into timeless investing wisdom, which felt oddly reassuring in a world obsessed with complexity. 3. Why AI's advice makes sense. The reason AI gave that answer is rooted in data and probability. AI models analyze massive amounts of historical market data and economic indicators, but they also understand the inherent uncertainty and randomness of markets. The vast majority of actively managed funds fail to outperform indexes over time. While AI can find patterns, it can't predict black swan events or sudden geopolitical shocks. The best risk-adjusted returns over the long term come from broad diversification and minimizing costs. By suggesting index funds, the AI is essentially telling me to align with market returns and avoid unnecessary risk. It's a reminder that even the smartest algorithms recognize that patience, discipline, and diversification beat trying to time or pick winners. 4. The temptation to chase hot investments. Despite the AI's prudent advice, I felt tempted to ask follow-up questions. What about cryptocurrencies? AI-powered stock picks, emerging tech companies? The allure of quick gains is powerful, and many investors chase trends or hype-fueled assets. But AI's warnings were clear: those come with significantly higher volatility and risk, and often poor long-term outcomes. In fact, AI models tend to downgrade or avoid assets with unstable or unpredictable patterns. This reinforced something I already knew but often ignored. Investing success isn't about chasing the next big thing, but managing risk and exposure thoughtfully. The AI's cautious approach challenges the popular myth that technology and innovation always guarantee investment winners. 5. How AI could change investing behavior. While AI's direct recommendation was simple, the technology itself is changing how people invest. Robo-advisors use AI algorithms to create personalized portfolios, automatically rebalance, and optimize tax strategies. Sentiment analysis tools scan news and social media to flag risks or opportunities. AI-driven trading systems react to market moves faster than any human. For everyday investors, AI can remove emotional bias by enforcing discipline and consistency. The challenge is balancing AI-driven insights with human judgment, avoiding over-reliance on black box models, and remembering the basics. The best approach may be to use AI as a tool, leveraging its data crunching power, while sticking to time-tested principles like diversification and long-term focus. 6. The limits of AI in predicting markets. It's crucial to recognize AI's limitations. Markets are influenced by human behavior, politics, wars, natural disasters, and countless unpredictable events. AI algorithms, no matter how advanced, cannot foresee all variables or sudden shifts. Overfitting, where models are too tailored to past data, can cause false confidence. Also, AI's recommendations depend heavily on the data it's fed and its programming. Biases and blind spots can slip in unnoticed. That's why AI's safest advice is often conservative and low risk. It knows what it doesn't know. Understanding these limits helps investors avoid putting blind faith in any magic bullet solution. Instead, an AI should be a complement to, not a replacement for, sound investing principles. 7. What this means for individual investors. For regular investors like you and me, AI's answer is a call to embrace simplicity. Instead of trying to outsmart the market with hot stock picks or speculative bets, we should focus on building a solid foundation. Diversified index funds, low fees, regular contributions, and reinvested dividends. This approach maximizes the power of compounding while minimizing emotional pitfalls. AI is democratizing access to smart investing tools, but the core message remains the same: discipline and patience win over hype. 8. My personal takeaway. After this experience, I realized that AI isn't a crystal ball. It's a powerful assistant. It doesn't replace the wisdom built over decades of market experience. It reinforces it. The biggest value AI offers is helping strip away noise, reduce emotional bias, and present clear, evidence-based guidance. As a result, I updated my portfolio to emphasize simplicity and diversification even more. I also decided to leverage robo-advisors for automated rebalancing and tax efficiency. But I won't blindly follow AI suggestions without understanding the rationale. 9. The AI investing paradox. In a world buzzing about AI, machine learning, and big data, the biggest surprise might be that the best investment advice still sounds like it came from a textbook. Diversify, keep costs low, stay consistent, and think long-term. AI didn't hand me a stock tip or a speculative frenzy. It gave me the investing equivalent of eat your vegetables. The paradox is clear. The more powerful AI becomes, the more it confirms the timeless principles of investing. Technology can transform tools and processes, but the human need for patience, discipline, and simplicity remains paramount. So if you ask AI what to invest in, don't expect a magic shortcut. Instead, expect a reminder that sometimes the best answer is the simplest one. 10. Embracing the future with eyes wide open. As AI continues to evolve and integrate deeper into investing, the key for investors is to embrace these tools with eyes wide open. It's easy to get dazzled by the promise of artificial intelligence picking the next big winner or timing the market perfectly. But true success comes from combining AI's analytical power with human intuition, discipline, and a clear strategy. AI can highlight risks, suggest allocations, and automate tasks, but it can't replace the need for financial education and emotional control. Investors who learn to harness AI as a partner, rather than a crystal ball, will navigate the complexities of the market with greater confidence and resilience. Ultimately, the future of investing isn't about humans or machines alone. It's about the synergy between both. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.